This is typically what we'll do with our drainage systems, and we'll put the downspouts and then the water will come into right here, which is very, very effective. We've done it for years. It works awesome. I'm really actually excited about something new that we're going to do. We're going to use these adapters, and then we're going to have the downspouts flow into this right here. And then the really neat thing is this is going to help prevent the splashing and keep that to a minimum. But then right here, we're going to put filters in here too, which is going to filter out any of the small stuff that can get in between here. And then the special thing that we can do, instead of a 10-year guarantee, now we can do a lifetime guarantee, because then what you can do is you can sign up for a drainage and lawn maintenance package together, where we're out on a weekly basis doing the cleanups, doing everything all together. But then what we'll do is twice a year, we'll change out these filters, and instead of a 10-year guarantee, we'll be able to do a lifetime, which will work great. And just wanted to take a second and explain the new thing that we'll do.